My name is Jennifer Rosedale, doing max snatch for the day. I'm gonna weigh myself. And for weights, it has to be one video. Yep. 15 kilogram bar, 15 pound plate, and a 35 pound plate.
35 on your side.
35.
Got it there. Got it. Same on the other side. 15 pounds. Just pull this off, so 35. And full dart, there you go, 35.
Houston, this is 135.